Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to do your homework with Google Lens. So with Google Lens, you can basically solve any math equations or any word problems. So let me show you how to do this. So here we're going to use the Google widget, which looks like this. Now to solve a math problem on your Google widget, go ahead and use the Google Lens, which looks like that, a camera icon. From here, go ahead and choose homework. And now you want to go ahead and point your lens to a equation or maybe a problem, or you can go ahead and upload it from your phone library. So here I've got a math question and I want you to solve it. So I'll go ahead and select that. I'll go ahead and scroll down and this will basically show me how to solve that problem. So if I'm stuck on a math problem or a tricky question, I can snap a picture with Google Lens and it'll break down the steps or provide me a helpful resource to guide me through the answer. So there you go guys, that is how to do your homework with Google Lens.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.